Okay, so we are going into our Ayurvedic hair care because I am not buying a single another hair care product until we clear out this massively overcrowded hair care drawer that you saw in the last video. I'll be sure to link it if you haven't seen it, but I did a closet clean out. I had way too much hair stuff, and that is what led to this Ayurvedic approach so I can clear out some of the old hair items. Here we're doing the pre-poo. That's an aloe vera leaf conditioner and oil pudding. We'll mix it together and then put it on. Okay, on to the co-wash. So for the co-wash, I'm mixing shampoo, conditioner. This conditioner smells terrible. I've probably said that before, so I'll be glad when I'm done with this crude conditioner. The Aritha powder, the Shikakai, and the Ashwagandha. My goal here is to be more cleansing than strengthening. You know, I actually enjoy doing a shampoo. I'm not really a big fan of co-wash, so I think I may alternate co-wash like we're making here, shampoo, co-wash, shampoo. I just like to actually shampoo my strands and get all the buildup off, or really get it off before it becomes buildup because, you know, I moisturize every night. I put a lot of stuff in my hair, so I enjoy the shampoo step. So we'll see how I end up alternating this co-wash. So I'm pouring it in little trays here. I'm going to freeze it so that we have enough for the next couple of weeks. Now that I have the shampoo ready for the next couple weeks, now that we have enough for that, I am going to just put a little bit into a bottle with the little tip on it for me to use today, for today's wash day. So my plan is, as I thaw these out, I'll just sit these on one of the funnels with the with the bottle underneath and allow it to thaw out so that I can then do the shampoo part of it or the co-wash part of it when it's time. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just putting what's left out of my blend into the bottle so that I can use this today. I use the applicator tip or the bottles with the applicator tip so that I can really get it on my scalp. And then I massage the shampoo into my scalp and allow it to run down the strands. I don't put it directly on the strands of my hair just because, I don't know, I think it's better to cleanse your scalp instead of putting so much tension on the hair, and then allow the hair to get what's left over from the scalp cleanse. All right, next up is twisting cream. Now, I have never made the cream before. I usually just use the cream straight out of the bottle, or the jar, rather. So, Curly Proverbz adds shea butter to her twisting cream. So, I'm going to melt down a little bit of shea here. I have a mixed chicks styling cream and like 2 fingers full of this cream of nature pure honey. So we're going to mix those two with the oil pudding and my melted shea butter. I'll let it sit in the refrigerator. I ended up letting it sit overnight so it got nice and solid. It was so pretty when it came out. And then blend it up, and I'll use this as my twisting cream. Wow, guys, look at how pretty this came out. This is the twisting cream. So we are going to get a blender and break it up the same way Curly Proverbz said to do. This video is not sponsored by NutriBullet. I just happen to love my NutriBullet. This is going to be our twister cream. I'm not sure which jar it'll fit in, so I have two over there. We'll see as I blend it up. But man, look at how pretty it is. Okay, Curly fam, here's the stack this week. We got all of our mixed up powders and conditioners. We are clearing out that very heavy hair drawer so we can get back to Shea Moisture goodness. There's the henna gloss. I use this Crew conditioner for the gloss and the pre-poo. This conditioner smells terrible. I'm almost done with it. Maybe 2 or 3 more weeks and I'll be done with it. But this is what we're doing. We are cleaning out the cabinet, and we are also doing Rapunzel hair growth from Curly Proverbz while we do it. So let's efficiently clear out some hair care products so we can move on. That is it for this week. Thank you for watching. Come back next week. We'll see how the hair growth is going, and we'll do a couple check-ins. Have a great week.